When small rooms need to be cleaned quickly, thoroughly, and without much effort, every movement counts.
1, 2, go!
That's exactly what the Cleancraft SSM 282 stands for. The walk-behind scrubber dryer combines brush cleaning and suction in one compact device, ideal for tight spaces, hallways, and rooms with many corners. The clear control panel with a battery-level indicator makes operation simple and easy to understand. The height-adjustable handle adapts to the working situation and ensures comfortable operation. The machine is equipped with a fresh water tank with a total capacity of 6 liters and a dirty water tank with a capacity of 9 liters. A battery, charger, and disc brush are included in the scope of delivery and make the machine ready for immediate use. The SSM 282 can be folded up and stored to save space. Thanks to the carrying handle and wheels, it can be moved effortlessly like a trolley. The rotating brush plate allows for efficient cleaning in both forward and backward movements. The squeegee, which can be rotated 180 degrees, allows for clean work even in right-angled corners and along fixed obstacles. With a working capacity of up to 800 square meters per hour, the machine is ideal for daily use on small to medium-sized surfaces. The working width of 280 millimeters makes it particularly maneuverable, even in narrow aisles or between shelves. A float device in the recovery tank protects the suction motor when the tank is full. The Cleancraft SSM 282 is the compact solution for thorough cleaning in small spaces, lightweight, maneuverable, and ready for immediate use.